What's up, YouTube family? It's the Money Cube channel coming back at you. I hope y'all had a wonderful weekend. And today we are going to be covering day trading or talking about day trading crypto on Robinhood. I day trade and I also swing trade crypto on Robinhood. And I'm just going to get checked in here real quick and let's look at, first of all, this is my portfolio in Cash App investing. I am a little bit down. If you look at my stock performance, it's right now way down. I am definitely holding my stocks right now, so I'm not really not trading. I am doing a little bit of dollar cost averaging down on my other platform, but on Robinhood, I'm just holding, my AMC, Tesla, and Apple. So let's look at crypto up here. Right now, I have a few plays. I have Ethereum Classic, and Litecoin. So let's look at Ethereum Classic. And these are not real heavy plays, but as you can see right here, sorry about that, I didn't turn my notifications off. We're looking at Ethereum Classic, which is kind of a younger brother, if you will, to Ethereum. And right now, I have an equity amount of $286, which means that I'm down on this play a total of 8%, 8.5%, which is $26.80 at the moment, which is not a lot. I mean, 8% is a lot, but the dollar figure is not a lot. So right now I'm just kind of keeping an eye on it and holding it, and I may swing trade and buy the dip a little bit more on this one right here. Actually, I do plan on I'll put about another $100 in on that one here in a few minutes. Actually, tell you what, while y'all are on here watching, I will do that right now. I'm gonna hit the buy button and I'm gonna tap the $100 option right there, and as you can see, confirm. I'm done. There we go. Now I have 386 invested, and if you look, I was down 8%. Now, because I invested more and I bought the dip, I'm only down 6% now. So it took 2% off of my decrease or the drop. So that is one thing I have talked about, but I haven't shown you much, is that when you buy the dip and you dollar cost average down, it reduces the amount or the percentage that you're down by, so that when the crypto goes back up in value, it doesn't have to go as far for you to be in the profit. And that will work with stocks or cryptocurrency the same way. So let's come out of this. And again, you see I'm down $27 now. So let's come out of this and look at Ethereum. We were in Ethereum Classic, so now this is Ethereum. This is kind of the second, this is like Bitcoin Junior. Ethereum is one of the major crypto coins. Right now trading at $1,317. It is up 2.2% on the day. I have $80 in Ethereum right now, and I'm up 0.4%, which is 32 cents. I have gained 32 cents. So right now I'm kind of breaking even with it, so to speak, even though it's 2%. I don't have a lot invested, so I'm gonna hold on to it, and if it comes back down to zero or negative, I'm gonna put more money into this, because I'm gonna make this a short-term swing trade is what I'm doing. And also I'm gonna show you one other one, Litecoin. I like day trading and swing trading Litecoin, as well as Compound and Stellar Lumens. Those are other ones that I trade quite a bit as well. And this is trading at $53 right now. I have $60 equity. Let me show you, hang on real quick. All right, so okay, that's not okay. Now you can see right here, I'm up 48 cents, which is 0.8% on that $60. So again, it's very similar to my play with Ethereum. So I'm not gonna do anything at the moment with this, but if if it happens to dip, I'm probably gonna double, or probably at the very least put $60 more, or I may put $120 in if it dips more than 5% this evening or by tomorrow. So I'm not sure exactly how that's gonna play out, but what I want to get at in this video, guys, is that crypto is still very, very volatile. You can definitely trade crypto, even though we're in a bear market overall. Crypto is more volatile than stocks, and so I'm going to remove myself off here. You've seen me enough today. So let's look at, we already looked at Ethereum. It's up 2%. Bitcoin is up 2%. Solana is up 2%, and that's as of today. That's on the day, right? Polygon is up 3.7% on the day. Now let's look at this. Now Uniswap is very interesting. Check this out. Uniswap is trading, or I don't want to use the word trade because it's crypto, but it's right now, it's, you can buy a one Uniswap for $6.64. One Satoshi worth of Uniswap for $6.64. All right, so if you look at, let's just say, if you were there, if you put in like $1,000 at 1:30, 2 o'clock this morning, by 4 o'clock, you would have gained almost 5% total. And so, but as of, if you had done that at midnight, you would be sitting at 6%. So that's what I'm getting at. There aren't a lot of stocks that are performing like this right now. There are not a lot of them. Now, there are some that you may not have ever heard of that have whales or have, some manipulation going on, and they're shooting up 30-40% maybe in one day. But your big name stocks are not going to be shooting up, like that consistently right now. You're not going to get that kind of movement on most stocks right now. So you can definitely, if you take the time and you have the time to watch the charts and look at you want to focus on your live chart. So so look here, over the past hour, Uniswap is down, and this is for example. I'm not saying invest in Uniswap, and I'm also not advising you to buy any crypto or stock. Do your own research before you invest in any crypto or stock. Okay, so but over the past hour, it is down 0.7%. So if I were going to trade Uniswap right now, is not a good entry point. Right now is not a good. So what I want to do is also look at the past day. So you see it's up on the day over the past 24 hours, but right now it's kind of on a dip, a mini dip. Now, if that turns around, when you see that dip start to go back up with any type of consistency, that may be a good point to enter. It's not a guarantee, but it could be a good point for you to enter if you want to, get into a trade with Uniswap. And and you can see over the past week, it is up 13%. Now see that, like I said, look at that volatility right here. I just want to show y'all, and this is on Robinhood now. Look at this volatility with the stock over this crypto. You have, it's moving up like between, it was down, it was at 3%, and then it went up to 12%, which is like 9% movement. Within one day, it had 9% movement. About 4 or 5 days ago. And it's still, it's just up and down, up and down. And if you look at that level of support, and let me show you the support line. Okay, I'm going to draw a red line. Here is where your support line is, right there. It's not a perfect straight line, but that's where, when it's going up like that and you see that support level, you can kind of gauge to where it's going to more than likely turn around at. And then also you have your level of resistance up here, and that's where it's gonna typically top out at on the way up. So if you're within that range right there and you want to get in down at the support level, you want to get in, that's a better spot to get in at. And then if you're going to be selling it, the resistance level at the top, that's around the zone where you're going to be selling if you're day trading, all right, or swing trading. All right, so I hope y'all found some value in this. I hope maybe you pick up some things along the way. I mean, I'm no expert at this, and I'm not the greatest investor or trader in the world, but I've learned some things along the way, and I like to share my journey with you guys. All right, and again, man, I thank y'all and appreciate y'all watching the videos and commenting and liking. And if you do find value, man, share it with people, and I will continue to work and put these videos out for you guys. All right, y'all have a good rest of the day.